Imagine waking up in a city where God simply doesn't exist. No churches, no prayers, no sermons. A place where faith disappeared and something unimaginable took its place. This isn't a story from the future. This is happening right now. Welcome to the city that gave up God. Tucked away in the heart of Europe lies a city that has quietly made history. Not through war, not through innovation, but through abandoning belief itself. Welcome to Prague, Czech Republic, often called the world's most atheist city. Here, over 80% of the population claims no religious affiliation at all. Churches have been turned into cafes. Sacred holidays have become simple days off work. For most residents, God is just a story from the past. A relic, like a dusty book left unread. At first glance, it seems normal. People fall in love, children laugh in parks, dreams are built, hearts are broken. But talk to the people and you'll hear something deeper. A generation raised without confession booths, without baptism photos in dusty albums, without whispered prayers during storms. For many, this city offered freedom, freedom from guilt, freedom from judgment, freedom to create their own meaning. But for others, something was lost. An old woman named Maria told me, "We have everything, yet sometimes it feels like something is missing, like we're all running, but no one knows where we're going." Here's the twist you might not expect. Despite giving up religion, Prague ranks among the happiest and safest cities in Europe. Studies show that rates of crime and poverty here are lower than many deeply religious regions. Spirituality didn't vanish. It transformed into art, philosophy, community, and silent personal rituals. Some locals even confess to praying, but not to any god. Instead, they pray to hope, love, and each other. In a city without God, humanity had to become its own guiding light, and maybe that's the real lesson. Maybe it was never about choosing belief or disbelief. Maybe it's about what you build, when the stories are stripped away and all that's left is you. The city gave up God, but they found something else, themselves. What do you think happens when faith disappears? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this story made you think, hit like, hit subscribe, and remember, sometimes the greatest mysteries aren't about what we believe, but about who we become without it.